Hello students, welcome back to my next lecture on basic maths. In our previous lecture, we have completed Venn diagrams with some examples. Today in this session, we will complete exercise from Venn diagrams. So let's get started. Out of 85 students of class 1 PU, A who took up a combined test in English and Hindi. If 63 students passed in both, 12 failed in English and 4 failed only in English. Use Venn diagram to find how many A failed in Hindi, B passed in English, C failed in Hindi. So students, here you read the question again and try to understand the data given in the question. Out of the data, they have asked 3 sub questions. So let's get started for the solution. Here U is equals to 85, that is nothing but the total number of students, and 63 students are passed in both the examination, in the test examination, that is English and Hindi. Now N of E union H is equals to subtract 85 minus 63. That means you will get the number of students who have failed. Out of 85, if you subtract the passed students, then you will get the number of students who have failed. Next, N of E, that is number of students fail in English, is equals to 12 given in the question, and N of only E English is nothing but number of students only failed in English, that is equals to 4. Now N of H is equals to, these all are the notations and they are number of students failed in Hindi. Then N of only English is done by the formula N of E minus N of E intersection H. Now to get N of E intersection H, we have the value N of only E, that is 4. Now interchange these two values. N of E intersection H will be equals to N of E is 12 minus N of only E is 4. So you will get number of students who failed both in English and Hindi are 8. Now number of students N of E union H is equals to N of E plus N of H minus N of E intersection H. This is the main formula. Now substitute their values, that is N of E union H is 22, which is equals to N of E is 12 plus N of H, they have not given the value, we need to find it. So keep the term as it is, minus 8. Just now we got that answer. Then N of H is equals to, now subtract 12 and 8, you get 4. Now shift that 4 to the LHS and subtract from 22, you get 18. So this is nothing but the students fail in Hindi. This is how you have to simplify. Next, N of only H is equals to N of H minus N of E intersection H. That is nothing but 18 minus 8, which is equals to 10. So 10 is nothing but here the students who failed only in Hindi, they are 8 in number. So in Venn diagram I have shown, see, E for English, number of students failed in English is equals to 4. In Hindi 10 students they have failed. In both the subject 8 students have failed. Then so 18 students failed in Hindi, total failed students in Hindi is equals to 10 and the 8. Add 10 and 8, you will get 18. and total number of students passed in English is equals to out of 85 minus 12. Here 12 how it comes? Add 4 to 8. 4 plus 8 you get 12. Subtract, you will get the students who passed in English, that is equals to 73. Next, total students passed in Hindi will be 85 minus 18. 18 you will get after adding 10 to 8. That will be equals to 67. Next example. In a college, 2 upon 5, 2/5 of the students play basketball and 3/4 play volleyball. If 50 students play none of these two games and 125 play both, use Venn diagram to find the number of students in the college. Here, let the number of students in the college be x. We will consider x, that is total number of students in the college. Next, number of students who play basketball is equals to 2 upon 5th of the total students, that is of x. Similarly, n of volleyball is equals to 3/4 of x and n of none. Some students are not participating any of these two games, that is equals to 15. Then n of both the games, some students are participating both the games, that is equals to 125. These all data is from the question herself. Now, n of A union B is equals to total students play minus none, that is equals to x. Total students play, that is equals to, we have considered it as x minus 50. Now, we know this formula. N of A union B is equals to n of BB plus n of VB minus n of both. Now, substitute their values. That is x minus 50 is equals to 2 upon 5 into x plus 3 upon 4 into x minus 125. So, simplify this by taking the LCM. You get the value of x is equals to 500. So, this is nothing but the number of students in the college is equals to 500. So, through the Venn diagram we have shown, that is first circle represents basketball, second circle represents volleyball. So, exactly in the middle of the two circles we have written 125, that is the common number of students, they play both the games. Now in 200 subtract 125, you get 75. Similarly, in 375, if you subtract the common number, that is 125, you get 250. So, these are the three numbers, 75, 125 and 250, the number of students who will play basketball, volleyball or both the games. So, 50 students are not taking any participation. Next question. In a certain college with 500 students, 300 take milk and 250 take tea. Find how many take milk only, tea only, both milk and tea. From the same data, we have to find out three different questions. So, according to the data, let's start writing the notations. N of U is equals to 500. N of M is equals to 300. Here M for milk, T for tea. N of T is equals to 250. Now, N of M intersection T. Some students, those who will take both the beverages, will be equals to, this is a formula, standard formula, that is N of M plus N of T minus N of M union T, that is here N of U, that is equals to, substitute the values, 300 plus 250 minus 500, you get the number of students who will take both the beverages will be equals to 50. Next, first one, this is a C answer students, both milk and tea. Now, A1, some students who will take only milk can be calculated as the formula n of m minus n of m intersection t, that is 300 minus 50, that is equals to 250. Similarly, try for n of t only. Use the formula and subtract. You will get the number of students who will take only t is equals to 200. Next one, in a class of 150 students, each student is required to take at least one of the two subjects, namely biology or economics. If 75 students have taken biology and 25 have taken both biology and economics, how many have taken economics? Show the result with the help of Venn diagrams. So students, read the question and understand and write down the notations below. That is, n of u is equals to total number of students is equals to 150, and number of students who will take biology is equals to 75, and number of students who are studying both biology and economics is equals to 25. Here B for biology and E for economics. Now they have asked how many students have taken economics, that is n of E is equals to question mark. Now we know the formula, that is n of u is equals to, or n of B union E is equals to n of B plus n of E minus n of B intersection E. Substitute the formula, that is 150 is equals to 75 plus n of E minus 25. Then after simplification, you get the number of students who will take economics is equals to 100. So through the Venn diagram, here the number of students who have opted both the subject is equals to 25, exactly in the middle of the two circles. Now, out of 100, number of students who are taken economics is equals to 100, subtract 25, that is common number 25. 100 minus 25 is equals to 75. So that is your data, that is exact number of students who will take only economics is 75. Similarly, for first circle biology, subtract 75 minus 25, you get 50. Fine. Now, therefore, here n of E is equals to 100, that is the required answer from the question. Therefore, 100 students have taken economics. Students, with this I have completed the exercise from Venn diagrams. So with relations and functions, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.